Abadlali abawu-10 ku-PSL abanamagoli amaningi. So ku-number 1 soqala nguSiyabonga Bhele Nomvethe oke wadlala ku-Kaizer Chiefs, Orlando Pirates, ku-Moroka Swallows kula washaya khona amagoli amaningi semdala, kula washaya amagoli amaningi wabreaka nama-record over 20 something goals washaya that season, seno 30 something-ke wasuka lapho waya kumaZulu, wasuka-ke lapho waya ku-team ku-National First Division. But-ke uSiyabonga Nomvethe waziwa ngomunye wabadlali noma iy'trikers zase-South Africa ezazidume nje ngokushaya amagoli, uhlonishwa kakhulu kuBhele Nomvethe nanokuthi washaya amagoli futhi ku-PSL semdala yabo. But-ke ku-number 2 Peter Shawulile ongathi uzolibreaka vele. Amagoli kaBhele Nomvethe ayi-123 officially abaliwe, but-ke njengoba oPeter Shawulile ku-number 2 sesondela kangaka sokuthiwa nje kushoda igoli ukuthi abreake wonke ama-records waku-PSL. So kuvele iy'ndaba zokuthi uSiyabonga Nomvethe amagoli wakhe awabaliwe wonke, maningi kade awashaya angabalwa. So sobona ukuthi izohamba kanjani, but-ke i-top 10 ihamba kanje: uSiyabonga Nomvethe, and then u-number 2 Peter Shawulile weMamelodi Sundowns, istriker lesaseNamibia esafika eSouth Africa adlalele i-Highlands Park la esaduma khona kakhulu iMamelodi Sundowns-ke bamthatha uShawulile. Mafika kuMamelodi Sundowns wenze ey'bukwayo ngempela. Siyazi ukuthi wuye uShawulile ngempela ozoba ku-number 1 at the end of the day wawashaya ngakhona amagoli. Ku-number 3 uGrobler-ke odlalela i-SuperSport United, uyawashaya amagoli-ke vele. Isikhathi esiningi nje waziwa ku-SuperSport United, nami kula ngambona khona. 2-ke wayedlalela i-Platinum Stars, mina ngikazi ngambona ku-Platinum Stars, ngimazi nje ku-SuperSport lo muntu lona. Hayi, yena uyagqilaza loya mlungu, uyawashaya amagoli akadlala, unamagoli ayi-113. And then uBhele Nomvethe una-123, uShawulile-ke una-120 something naye. And then number 3 uGrobler una-113. Unumber 4 uDaniel Mudawu una-110 goals, wayedlalela iMamelodi Sundowns futhi nakuMamelodi Sundowns in history kwakuwuye unumber 1-ke. But uShawulile-ke uye sikamsusile laphana ku-number 1. Unumber 4 lo. And then unumber 5 uMabhuti Khanyeza na-110 goals. uMabhuti Khanyeza-ke waye enenkinga nama-team amaningi, amuva from one team to another, but amagoli kwakwaziwa nje ukuthi uMabhuti Khanyeza uyawashaya yabona. And then unumber 6 unamagoli ayi-104 uManuel Buchanan, angimazi nokumazi-ke, widely known as Tico Tico. He was a prolific scorer, kusho ukuthi wayewashaya kakhulu amagoli. Bathi bawayedlala iJomo Cosmos, wadlalela ne-SuperSport United eSouth Africa yabona, waya nakwamanye ama-team kwamanye amazwe. Number 7 uCollins Mbesuma unamagoli ayi-103 ku-PSL. uMbesuma-ke kuthiwa uzoya ey'ncwadini zaku-history yaku-PSL ukuthi is one of the greatest strikers in history of i-Kaizer Chiefs. Washaya ngakhona amagoli nge-space esincane, and then wahamba-ke waye-Europe ubhuti. And then omunye bengingam-expect-anga ukuthi angaba kule list uKhama Billiat, una-97 goals. Waduma kwa-AS Cape Town, then waya kuMamelodi Sundowns, and then last-ke waya ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Omunye number 9-ke bengingam-expect-anga uMajoro. uMajoro kuthi una-91 goals. uMajoro wadlalela amaZulu, wadlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs, Orlando Pirates, i-Wits, Cape Town City. Bekawashaya amagoli ngempela uMajoro, nami ngiyamkhumbula. But later on in his career wagcine after amaZulu wahluleka ukuthola i-club yabo. Number 10 sesiyivala-ke le list lena, Snow Wilfred Mungeyi yabo, i-Zimbabwean striker. Kusho ukuthi waduma nje South Africa ngokushaya amagoli throughout i-career yakhe. Wadlalela ama-team afana nabo Bushbucks, i-Ajax Cape Town, i-Free State Stars. Washaya 91 goals ku-career yakhe. Danko bafowethu.